Question: how would you like to earn serious money at home using only your opinion? With EarnOnline-TakingSurveys.com, you earn between $10 to $40 per survey, and that's guaranteed. If you're opinionated and know what you like and don't like, you can make serious money at home by doing virtually nothing. These surveys just take 15 minutes to complete, and it's fun. You don't have to be skilled, educated, or even particularly smart to complete this job. All you need to do is click your mouse, fill out a form, and you'll receive an average of $10 to $40 per survey you complete.
I started taking surveys within 2 hours of signing up. And last week, I made enough money to buy a new flat-screen TV for our living room.
If you had hundreds or even thousands of extra dollars every month, what would you do with it? Perhaps you would purchase your dream home. Maybe you need a new dependable vehicle. Would you fill your closet with brand new and stylish clothing? Stuff your child's college account? There are so many things you can do with extra money.
EarnOnline-TakingSurveys.com is the first online opportunity that's actually made me any money. And I've tried a lot of different ways to make money before, but this actually works.
Money isn't everything, but it's a vehicle that allows individuals to live easier, happier lives. How much good could you do with tons of extra money that doesn't take very long at all to make? You just need a computer, an internet connection, and this system. That's it. There is no advertising involved, and there are no additional costs.
Hey, I'm in between classes and I just earned $75 from taking surveys on EarnOnline-TakingSurveys.com. I got paid within the first 10 minutes of taking the survey.
Isn't it about time that you get what you really deserve? Make money at home quickly and easily. Spend more time with your family. Do the things you've always wanted to do. Vacation, travel, or whatever you want. Make your own hours. Go to work whenever you want. Be your own boss. The only one who will tell you what to do is you. Realize the new American dream, being completely in charge of what you do, how long you spend on it, and how much you make. Join now, and you can start within 15 minutes.